Good morning, traders, and welcome to our midweek review and pre-market forecast for today, Wednesday, October the 23rd. Nothing on the news items till tomorrow morning. We talked about it being a very light week in reference to news. So let's quickly jump to our analysis with our daily chart. As we can see, market consolidating after recovering from the 200 SMA. Find this top here at, let's see, where are we here? This was set up yesterday at 3,014. Market retracing off that area, or about 17 points, 16 points off the all-time highs. But remember, it's not going to happen in one shot. Market is trying slowly but surely to continue to move up. We've had very mixed several days. Two up bars, down, two down bars, an up bar, down bar, and so far we have another down bar today. Volume is still a little lower than I anticipated. Therefore, remember, when we have this kind of volume, we have to make sure that we continue to be patient as we expect things to move in a certain pace. Let's jump to our big time frame here. As you remember, we were talking about this particular trend line here, which the market broke through. Now it's using this trend line here as support. As you notice, broke support, broke a little bit, cleared through it, created another trend line to the upside. So overall general direction, expecting the market to recover from here and move a little higher. That's what we're expecting as an overall. Now, remember, the market can do anything at any given moment at time. Remember that the real support level of this particular market right here is this area right around here, this trend line right here coming off the 200 SMA. So that's the real support level. But in our short-term basis, we're finding ourselves right here. Now, the initial moves are all going to be to the downside, and you can see them here very clearly in our analysis chart. As you can see, we are below, whoops, I have the chart over here, sorry guys. We are below yesterday's intraday low. Normally when we see this kind of moving, we're expecting a little bit move into the downside before anything happens. So first tests that we can experience initially are going to be somewhere right along here, and then if the market holds, the next test would be this trend line here. This is like an immediate area that's developing here. It's not a very strong area, but is a very key area in reference to what happens next. So that's what we're looking at right now. And we can look at clearly at our trade chart right here. And you can come right here, you can see it. Market has its run. Market breaks below intraday low with a lot of strength. It stops cold here, it creates a floor. There's our ceiling. Our ceiling is up here. Our intraday high, our floor is down here. So that's where we're consolidating right now. Like I said, anything can happen in this market. The market can potentially, just break down completely down to the downside. But we're expecting this area, at least initially, to hold before the market tries to move a little higher because, remember, of the overall movement up. So just wait for the area confirmations. Wait for the market to develop. Don't go into a trade and automatically expect it to start running quickly and efficiently just because you're in a trade. Remember the overall movement and the low volume. Take care and have a great trading session.